Might take a wild guess. You're a homeowner who wants to save money on electricity costs, right? I'm right, aren't I? Here's my next guess. You're probably also wondering when's the best time to go solar. Well, let me tell you, the best time is right now. And let me explain why. If you're like homeowners who haven't gone solar yet, you've been overpaying your utility company since, well, before you can remember. Every time the rates go up, too bad, just keep paying. It's not like you had a choice, right? Well, you do now. You can lock in a surprisingly low electricity rate by going solar with Sunrun. And the next time utility rates rise, you're laughing all the way to the bank. Another reason to go solar with Sunrun? We take care of everything. We design, install, and maintain your system the entire time. We also guarantee your energy production for savings you can count on. You get a worry-free system. Just enjoy the savings. Finally, you won't be killing the planet. Okay, that's slightly dramatic for effect, but seriously, old-school electricity is created by belching out greenhouse gases that pose a serious threat to our environment. With solar, none of that smokestacky stuff. You can help create a planet run by beautifully clean energy from the sun. Why do you think Americans are installing new solar panels every 3 minutes? They know that solar electricity is clean, renewable, good for your wallet, and for the planet. And now you know too. Ready to start saving with Sunrun Solar? Give us a call or visit sunrun.com today for a free quote.